Step into the future with us, where technology blazes new trails, unlocks boundless possibilities, and reshapes our world. Welcome to the forefront of advanced technologies. Before we do, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Number 5. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a revolutionary type of computing that harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform certain types of calculations at vastly accelerated speeds compared to classical computers. Quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits, as the fundamental unit of information, which allows them to leverage unique quantum phenomena. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize many industries and fields by solving problems that are currently intractable for classical computers. However, it is still an evolving field, and the development of practical and scalable quantum hardware and algorithms remains an active area of research and development. Number 4. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars, also known as autonomous vehicles or driverless cars, are vehicles equipped with advanced sensors, software, and artificial intelligence (AI) technology that allow them to navigate and operate without human intervention. Self-driving cars are classified into different levels of automation, as defined by the Society of Automotive Engineers. Number 3. Virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are immersive technologies that provide users with interactive and digitally enhanced experiences, but they differ in how they blend the digital and physical worlds. VR is a technology that creates a completely immersive, computer-generated environment in which users can interact with and explore a virtual world. When using VR, individuals are typically fully immersed in a digital environment, often with the help of a head-mounted display, HMD, and other sensory input devices. Augmented reality is a technology that overlays digital content, such as images, text, or 3D models, onto the real-world environment, enhancing or augmenting the user's perception of reality. AR does not replace the physical world, but instead adds digital elements to it. Both VR and AR have diverse applications and offer unique user experiences. While VR immerses users in a digital world, AR enhances the real world with digital information and interactions. Both technologies continue to evolve and have the potential to transform industries, from entertainment and education to healthcare and business. Number 2. Gene therapy. Gene therapy is a medical approach that involves the alteration or manipulation of a person's genes to treat or prevent diseases and medical conditions. It is a cutting-edge field of biotechnology with the potential to address genetic disorders, inherited diseases, and certain acquired conditions at the genetic level. In gene therapy, specific genes are inserted, replaced, or modified within a patient's cells to correct or replace faulty genes or provide therapeutic benefits. Gene therapy represents a promising avenue for treating a wide range of genetic disorders and diseases by addressing the underlying genetic causes. Ongoing research and clinical trials continue to advance our understanding and application of this innovative medical approach. Number 1. Cultured meat. Cultured meat, also known as lab-grown meat, cell-based meat, or clean meat, is a revolutionary technology in the field of food production. It involved the creation of meat products, such as beef, chicken, and pork, without the need to raise and slaughter animals. Instead, cultured meat is produced by cultivating animal cells in a controlled environment, typically in bioreactors. Cultured meat holds promise as a more sustainable and ethical alternative to traditional animal agriculture. While challenges remain, ongoing research and investment are driving the development and eventual adoption of this technology in the food industry. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.